Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, the channel where we make tech tricks simple and fun. In this video, I am going to walk you through exactly how to cancel a subscription on your iPhone the right way so you don't get charged for something you don't use. Here's an overview of what we will cover. Step 1. Open your iPhone settings. Step 2. Tap on Subscriptions. Step 3. Choose the subscription you want to cancel. Step 4. Tap and confirm cancel subscription. Step 5. Double check your subscriptions. Alright, let us get started. Step 1. Open your iPhone settings. First things first, unlock your iPhone and find the settings app. It is that gray gear icon. Tap on it to open. At the very top, you will see your name and Apple ID banner. That is what you want to tap. This takes you to your Apple ID settings, where you can manage your account, payment info, and of course, your subscriptions. Step 2. Tap on Subscriptions. Now look for the Subscriptions option. It is usually near the middle of the screen. Tap on Subscriptions and give it a second to load. You will see a list of all your subscriptions. Active subscriptions will be listed at the top. Inactive or expired subscriptions will be listed below that. This makes it easy to see what you are currently paying for and what is already canceled. Step number 3. Choose the subscription you want to cancel. Scroll through your list of active subscriptions and tap on the one you'd like to cancel. This will open all the details for that subscription, like the billing cycle, weekly, monthly, or yearly, the next billing date, any perks or linked services. Step 4. Tap and confirm cancel subscription. Once you're on the subscription detail page, scroll down until you see cancel subscription or cancel free trial. After you tap cancel, you will see a confirmation screen. This will show you when your subscription will officially end. Sometimes it cancels immediately, but often you can still use the service until the end of the current billing period. Related info like family sharing or bundled services, they are connected. Step number 5. Double check your subscriptions. Once you are done, tap Subscriptions in the top left corner to go back to the main list. Your canceled subscription might still appear under Active, but don't worry, it should now show an expiration date instead of a renewal date. This means you won't be charged again once the current period ends. And that's it. You have just learned how to cancel a subscription or free trial on your iPhone the right way. It is quick, easy, and keeps your money in your pocket for things you actually use. This tutorial helped you out? Please give this video a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss more helpful Apple tips. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.